What if I told you that any number raised to the power of 0 becomes 1? Even big numbers like 3 or 50. Let's start with the power of 3. 3 to the power of 4 equals 81, right? 3 to the power of 3 equals 27, and 3 to the power of 2 equals 9, and 3 to the power of 1 equals 3. Notice something. Every time the exponent goes down by 1, the number is divided by 3. So continuing the pattern. 3 to the power of 1 equals 3, and 3 to the power of 0 equals 3 divided by 3 equals 1, right? Notice something. Every time the exponent goes down by 1, the number is divided by 3. So continuing the pattern. The rule for any number except 0, right? A to the power of 0 equals 1. Examples: 7 to the power of 0 equals 1, right? And 100 to the power of 0 equals 1. 999 to the power of 0 equals 1.